Hi guys, it's day three of my daily C++ devlog, and today I went into SFML. It's not really like my first time learning SFML. I've done it twice actually, and today was like, okay, let's go into it deeply. For basic, SFML is simple and fast multimedia library. It is basically a software that you use to create games and applications in C++. So basically, SFML is not the only game engine that exists in C++. We have other game engines. We have SDL. I think we have Raylib and others actually. Then before we move up to the advanced engines like using Unreal Engines or Unity. So for now, I'm fully focused on SFML for now. Understand the concepts, game maths, game physics, and every other thing before I start looking at other libraries and working out on creating major games and serious games. So majorly for the whole of this devlog, I spent my day trying to link SFML to my Visual Studio, which was like very hard actually, because even to think that I've done it twice, I thought it was going to be an easy breeze for me to do that, but I still end up eating lots of bricks and bricks was, and I was like, I've not started writing the code, and I still link SFML, and this thing is still this hard. So basically for the whole day, I spent my day fighting and debugging SFML linking and trying to debug errors I understood and the ones that I did not understand, but glory be to God, it was done. And so I spent over an hour trying to link errors and other parts of my SFML. It was actually stressful and repetitive. Then I think at a point I used a wrong header file of my SFML, and for some time it was working. I thought it was right, but I got to realize that it was the wrong header file, and it started throwing some bug when I started writing some a bigger application with SFML. So I had to start the linking process all over again, and finally it worked. I felt so relieved when it worked actually, and so for the rest of the class, I just took a short, not really in-depth class, a short class on SFML by Suraj Sharma. I don't know if I pronounced the name well, but we are moving past the theories of OOPs and finally getting into what I really came to learn. Not really C++, but to go into game development and render my games. I Chibike Mokwe, and day three was a battle. And I conquered in the end, but I'm still standing, and see you guys in day four. Thank you.